ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरम्। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। We have to start from 14, right? 14 onwards. Okay, who wants to do 14th one? जो बालक विद्यालय नहीं जाता उसको पिता दंड देता।
బాలకాయ విద్యాలయం వెళ్ళకపోతే పిత దండిస్తాడు, అది తండ్రి దండిస్తాడు అనే కదమ్మా తెలుగులో దానికి అర్థం.
1 minute. తెలుగులో ఏ బాలకుడు విద్యాలయానికి వెళ్ళడో అతడిని తండ్రి దండిస్తాడు. Whichever balaka doesn't go to school, father will punish him.
यतः बालकाय विद्यालयं न गच्छतु ततः पिता दण्डं ददातु.
Yataha means what?
Yasmai.
If. Correct. Yasmai. Correct.
Yasmai.
Yes, correct. Yasmai balakaya. Because it is Chaturthi.
Oh, chapter is Chaturthi, therefore.
That's why. Shivananji,
No, if he doesn't go to school, will he get benefit?
No.
Chaturthi is for what? The one who is getting benefit, that person will be in Chaturthi.
But he's getting dandam, no? So that is benefit.
Then that will be later.
In Chaturthi.
So, jo balak vidyalay nahi jata. Whichever boy doesn't go to school. How to do in Sanskrit? How to say?
I wrote yataha, but I don't think that is correct.
Yataha from whichever.
Oh, so then that won't.
Meaning
whichever.
Yataha means from whichever.
From whichever. I thought whichever.
Yataha yasmat. If you remember many times, whenever yataha comes, yataha yasmat.
Yes.
Tataha tasmat. Swamiji always translate in this way. Yada indicates the kala. Yataha indicates the desha.
Okay.
Like tada, kada, all these shabdas will indicate kala. And yataha, tataha, kutaha, all these are indicate indicating the desha. जो
Yeah,
बालक
so then it will be yada. It will be yada.
No, it is not indicating the kala also. It is not indicating the desha. It is not indicating the kala. जो बालक यह बालकः.
Oh, simple that way only.
हाँ.
Bhayam. Okay. No, because in Sanskrit, okay.
यः बालकः
यः
विद्यालयं
बालकः न गच्छति.
हाँ, न गच्छति.
అమ్మా
न गच्छति.
అనాలమ్మా ఏతత్ అనాలమ్మా యహానే కరెక్ట్
ये बहुवचनम. If it is बहुवचनम, then ye will come. If it is ekavachanam, then
यः.
यः. जो बालकः is ekavachanam. Right?
Correct.
यः बालकः विद्यालयं न गच्छति.
गच्छति.
उसको should be in which case?
तस्मै. उसको will be चतुर्थी, no? तस्माय.
तं द्वितीया.
Yeah,
सः तौ ते तं तौ तान्. तं बालकं. That
बालकं
given punishment should given
by the father. So then tam balakam pitra dandam
dandayati. Dand dhatu dandayati.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Is it pita? Is it pita or pitru?
Pita prathama ekavachanam. Father is punishing. So father is punishing. Father will be in. Their father will be karta. So we can use as prathama. Vakya will be yaha balakaha vidyalayam na gacchati tam balakam, or we can just say tam pita dandayati. If we want to understand more, then we can put it in bracket balakam. Or if we don't want to use balakam, then just tam pita dandayati. Pita will be in prathama. Is this vakya clear?
Yes, Punit.
इन फलों के लिए उन वृक्षों को देखो. తెలుగు ఈ పుష్పాల కోసం ఆ వృక్షాలను చూడు. For these flowers, you should see those trees.
అమ్మా ఏతత్ పుష్పాయ
फलेभ्यः
एभ्यः, right? एभ्यः फलेभ्यः.
Yes. Ebhyah falebhyah. Both should be in chaturthi.
एभ्यः फलेभ्यः सः वृक्षः पालयति. Sorry.
Saha. Vrukshah should be in which case?
Vriksham.
Okay. Vrukshon ko. Is it ekavachana or bahuvachana?
Bahuvachanam.
Then
Vrikshanam. Saha vrikshanam.
which vibhakti
Balam.
bahuvachana?
Dvitiya.
Dvitiya bahuvachanam is what? Vriksha vriksha is pratipadika is what? Which shabda is it? Akaranta, rikaranta, ukaranta, pullinga, or strilinga? Which shabda?
Akaranta.
Pullinga or strilinga?
No idea.
Vriksha is hrasva or dirgha?
So,
Karanta napumsakalingam.
नपुंसकलिङ्ग
Vrikshaha pullinga. Vriksha, when we say hrasva will be in pullinga. If it is dirgha, then with it is strilinga. Like balika may not be. Balika is in Sanskrit word. Balika. When we say balika, is it dirgha or hrasva? Dirgha. So it is strilinga shabda. Vriksha is hrasva. We are not saying vriksha, just we are saying vriksha. How we are pronouncing, based on that we should understand. Vriksha is hrasva, therefore it is pullinga. If we want to know napumsakalinga, we have not seen napumsakalinga, akaranta, rikaranta and all. We just saw makaranta napumsakalinga, jalam, vanam, like that.
Okay.
What will be the sentence here?
Ebhyah falebhyah saha. No, not saha. Te vriksha. Vrikshan, right? Is it
Vrikshan.
Dvitiya?
Yes, vrikshan.
Te vrikshan palayati.
Te is which vibhakti?
The bahuvachanam.
प्रथम बहुवचन
Vrikshan is which vibhakti?
Sorry. Yeah, dvitiya. So tan vrikshan palayati.
Tan vrikshan. Dekho means see.
Pashya.
You should see.
Not like nurture, take care kind of a thing.
No, just to see.
So it'll be pashyasi.
Pashya, only pashya.
Pashya.
Only pashya. Etebhyaha. Ebhyaha is strilinga. From where you have said? It is not strilinga also. Etebhyaha only is there. Ebhyaha is not there.
But phalam is napunsaka, right?
Yes. Even napumsaka. This is chaturthi, na? From tritiya onwards, pullinga and chaturthi, napumsakalinga all are same. This is pullinga. Yes, napumsakalinga. Etebhyaha. Etebhyaha. Etena, enena, etabhyam, etehi, etasmai, etabhyam, etebhyaha. All are same. From Tritiya. Pullinga and napumsakalinga. What is the final form, final sentence?
एतेभ्यः फलेभ्यः तान् वृक्षान् पश्य.
Yes. Next. इस प्रश्न को उस शिष्य से पूछो. In Telugu, వాక్య is ఈ ప్రశ్నను ఆ విద్యార్థిని అడుగు. This question you ask to that student. This question you ask to that student.
एतत् प्रश्नं तस्मै शिष्याय पृच्छतु.
పృచ్ఛ.
पृच्छ.
మధ్యం పురుష ఏకవచనం. Shivananji was there, na? He left.
Yes, Amma, left.
I think it's got disconnected. Yeah, maybe.
Okay, okay. What did you say?
एतत् प्रश्नं तस्मै शिष्याय पृच्छ.
Ma etasmaya etasmaya.
Why etasmai?
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi. Which shabda should be in Chaturthi?
Etadri. Pullinga etadri.
No. చతుర్థిలో ఏముండాలి?
విద్యార్థి.
చతుర్థి విభక్తిలో ఏమొస్తుంది? అక్కడ వాక్యంలో కాదు, జనరల్ గా చతుర్థి విభక్తిలో ఏం రావాలి? నియమం ప్రకారం
కొరకు కోసం.
ప్రయోజనం పొందేటటువంటి వారు చతుర్థి విభక్తిలో ఉంటారు. ప్రశ్న ప్రయోజనం పొందుతుందా?
లేదమ్మా, లేదు.
See, don't study in this way. This is 4th chapter. That's why every vakya I will put it in Chaturthi Vibhakti. That's why they have given mixed up vakyas. Starting few chapters, they'll give only whatever they taught in that chapter, that only they will give. And if you see 2nd or 3rd chapter, they have given separately. Madhyam Purusha, Uttam Purusha, Pratham Purusha, they have given separately. Now they are not giving separately because we should pay attention and we should try to understand. Is prashna. Okay. Aparna ji, what did you say?
एतत् प्रश्नं तस्मै शिष्याय पृच्छ. This
एतत्
question.
प्रश्न. Etat prashnam.
Prashnam.
Prashnam is in
Right.
which vibhakti?
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Etat is in which vibhakti?
Prathama vibhakti. So, etat prashnam. Etat
Etat should be in which vibhakti?
should be
Whatever is the
Dvitiya.
Visheshya,
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Dvitiya vibhakti.
Yes.
Etad shabda. Prashna is which
Etam
linga? Prashna is which linga?
Dvitiya.
Linga. Strilinga, Pullinga, Napumsakalinga.
Pullinga.
Pullinga. Pullinga Prashna Shabda Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam. So this
Correct.
Etad Shabda also Pullinga Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam.
Ekavachanam.
What is the Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekavachanam Pullinga Etad Shabda?
Etam.
Etam.
Etam. Right. Etam prashnam tasmai shishyaya pricha.
Tasmai Shishyaya. Tasmai Shishyaya. Meaning what? What meaning will come?
This question you ask to this shishya only.
To this Shishya. Then that Shishya is getting benefit.
Because the question is asked to that shishya.
I am asking you question. Are you getting benefit?
Yeah.
Not in this way. If both students are asking, one student is asking the question another student. Then this person is getting benefit.
The person who the question is asked to, that person is receiving benefit is what I am understanding.
This question you ask to that person, that student. You should ask that student. This is the Vakya. You ask to that student, then one whom we are asking, is he getting benefit?
No.
No, he is not getting
No.
benefit.
He is not getting benefit.
The one who gets benefit, he only will be in
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi.
So if you ask the question, but that person is learning, so that is not like the benefit that I have to take.
No.
Not like that.
He is already know that.
Okay.
That in that sentence.
Okay. So then
if he doesn't know,
Shishyam.
If he doesn't know, the person who is saying, you ask that person, then why he will we say like that? If that person himself doesn't know, will we tell them anyone to go and ask to that person?
Oh yes. Because you already know that Shishya knows the answer. Then okay. Got it. So then etam prashnam tasmai.
Why tasmai again?
Not tasmai. Then it will be tas. I cannot even say tas. Yeah.
Tam shishyam.
Tam shishyam pricha.
Pricha.
Shishya, is it not this karta here? Like Should it be not saha, shishyah?
Shishya is object here. You should ask to that student.
Okay, so the question is also object and shishya is also the object.
Question is, yes. Question is also object and Shishya is also an object. Etam prashnam tam shishyam pruchha. Is it clear?
Yes.
Next. सारे विद्वानों को वहां ले जाओ. In Telugu, అందరు విద్వాంసులను అక్కడకు తీసుకెళ్ళు. Take all the wise people to there. Or all the wise people you take there.
Vidwan. Sah vidwan tatra vaha.
सारे विद्वानों को. What should come here?
సర్వేభ్యః వస్తుందమ్మా.
విద్వాంసులందరినీ. Which vibhakti?
Dvitiya bahuvachanam.
ద్వితీయ బహువచనం.
ద్వితీయ బహువచనం. What is the Dvitiya Bahuvachanam?
Is it
విద్వాన్
sarve vidvanam?
Sarve
Vidvanam.
Okay, Sarva Shabda. Who wants to decline?
Sarvam sarvaha. Sarvam sarva.
అమ్మ పుల్లింగే కదా అకారాంత
Pullinga. Vidwan is Pullinga, so we need Pullinga.
సర్వః
Sarvan.
సర్వాణి.
Shirishaji, go ahead.
Sarvan, right? Or you want me to say the whole thing? Okay. I have it in front of me. I didn't memorize.
Yes.
Sarvaha sarvaha sarve sarvoha sarvehe.
Sarvaha sarvo sarve.
Sarve. Sarvam sarvau sarvan. Sarvena sarvabhyam sarvaihi. Sarvasmai sarvabhyam sarvebhyah. Sarvasmat sarvabhyam sarvebhyah. Sarvasya sarvayoh sarvesham. Sarvasmin sarvayoh sarveshu. He sarva, he sarvau, he sarve.
Dvitiya Bahuvachanam is what?
Sarvan.
Sarvan. Sarvan. Vidwan Shabda declension will be different. Nakaranta Pullinga Shabda. nakaranta pullinga shabda. So we have not seen that vidvan shabda. Vidvan, vidvansau, vidvansaha, vidvansam, vidvansau, vidushaha. Vidushaha will come Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. But in this chapter, Vipra Shabda is given. So what is the Vipra Shabda Bahuvachanam?
Vipran.
Vipra.
Vipran. Sarvan, Vipran. Vaha means?
Vikaha duram gacchatu.
Anusha, what did you say?
Tatra.
Tatra. Tatra. Tatra. Le jao means? Which dhatu we should use here? Le jao?
Lot lakar.
Lot lakara dhatu.
Vaha, right? Vaha is to take.
When we say vahadhatu, like when we carry the luggage, na? At that time, vahadhatu, to carry in those things, we will use vahadhatu. Here we can use ni dhatu to take or to lead. What is the ni dhatu? Lot lakara?
Nayatu.
Here madhyam purusha ekavachana.
Naya.
किस बालकों को पूछते हो? ఏ బాలకుణ్ణి అడుగుతున్నావు? Which balaka you are asking?
My balakaya prucha. Kasmai balakaya prucha.
When we use kasmai balakaya, for which balaka you are asking, that meaning will come. Here, which balaka you are asking, like if you are asking, is that boy came? I say which boy you are asking, about which boy you are asking, like that. किस बालक को पूछते हो?
किम बालकं पृच्छति?
Kim. Kim is which vibhakti?
Kam balakam pruchhatu.
Yes, kam balakam. Kim napumsakalinga. Kam is pullinga. Kaha kau. Kaha kau ke, kam kau kan. Pullinga dvitiya ekavachanam. Kim kam. Kam balakam. Puchte ho, what is the dhatu you said?
Pruchati.
Pruchasi. Pruchasi.
Pruchati.
Pruchasi. Lat lakara. Madhyam purusha ekavachanam.
So why is it not in Chaturthi Purnaji? This we are asking, right? To this balaka.
You are asking about which balaka?
About somebody. Okay.
If it is Chaturthi, Chaturthi means the one who gets benefit. he should be in Chaturthi. Who is getting benefit in this Vakya?
One who
Anybody?
is questioning.
One who is questioning. But here, one who is questioning, we are not mentioning about him. But one who is questioning should be in Prathama. Right? If I am asking, I should be in Prathama.
Yeah, but then why will you say it is that person is getting benefited, right? If I'm questioning.
When you answer to me, at that time I'll get benefit. Right?
Okay.
Questioning also in different ways. Teacher can ask question students, but teacher won't get benefit from it. Right?
Yes, Purnaji.
So here, kam balakam pruchasi. About whom you are asking. किस विद्यालय में पढ़ते हो? In which school you are studying? ఏ విద్యాలయంలో నీవు చదువుతున్నావు?
అంటే విద్యాలయాన్ని సప్తమి వస్తుంది. విద్యాలయ.
వాక్య is what?
ఏ విద్యాలయంలో చదువుతున్నాను?
अस्मिन् विद्यालयं पठतु. तस्मिन् विद्यालयं.
Is it kasmin or tasmin?
तस्मिन्. किसमें? किस विद्यालयं? विद्यालय में.
I couldn't hear the first word.
Ka. I told kasmin. Ka.
Kasmin. Okay.
Kasmin Vidyalayam.
Vidyalaya should be in?
Vidyalayam.
Vidyalayam is in?
Vidyalay. Vidyalaye.
Vidyalaye.
Yeah. Kasmin Vidyalaye. Patatu. Patatu. Oh no.
Which lakara should come there?
Padte ho. It can be lat lakara also.
Lat lakara. Which purusha?
Prathama purusha.
Prathama purusha. Lat lakara, prathama purusha. No. Padte ho madhyam purusha.
Madhyama purusha. Sorry.
Madhyam purusha ekavachanam. Pathasi.
Patasi.
Kasmin vidyalaye pathasi. If it is given in second chapter, then we would finish in quickly. It is given in 10th chapter. That's why we are feeling so difficult. All these vakyas we did in second chapter. Second or third chapter. Because there we have only one idea. This will be in Dvitiya, this will be in Uttam Purusha, this will be in Madhyam Purusha, this will be in. So now we have to think which vibhakti, which lakara, which purusha, and all we have to think. Okay, we'll finish this vakya. In balakon ko pustak do aur un balakon ko gend do. తెలుగులో ఈ విద్యార్థులకు పుస్తకం ఇవ్వు, ఆ బాలికలకు బంతి ఇవ్వు.
ఏభ్యః బాలకాయ
ఏతేభ్యః
ఏతేభ్యః బాలకాయాః పుస్తకం
బాలకేభ్యః బహువచన్ బాలకేభ్యః
బాలకేభ్యః ఏతేభ్యః బాలకేభ్యః పుస్తకం యచ్చసి.
It is not lat lakara, it should be lot lakara. Yacha.
Yacha. तेभ्यः बालकेभ्यः don't know what to call ball.
Yes. Balakebhyah.
तेभ्यः बालकेभ्यः ball yacha. I don't know what to say for ball.
Kandukam.
Okay. Kandukam yacha.
Cha will come. Aur is there, na? Instead of aur, cha will come.
Cha or api can be there. Kunaji cha only should be there.
No, cha means and.
Yeah, and.
Okay. Means also. Here
so
and.
So etebhyah balakebhyah pustakam yacha cha tebhyah balakebhyah kandukam yacha. Is that the sentence?
Etebhyah balakebhyah pustakam yacha tebhyah balakebhyah kandukam cha yacha. Cha should come at the end before the verb.
Okay.
Okay, these Shuddha Vakyas, Ashuddha Vakyas, you can look at it and it is their answers. Okay, somebody was asking that sutras are getting over. Sandhi sutras are getting over. So we need some sutras.
Yes, Purnaji, Swamiji also told last time to me how many times you'll say the same sutra.
See, we are familiar with Rama Shabda, right? Everybody knows Rama Shabda?
Yes,
Declensions without seeing. We have to memorize Rama Shabda, at least not others.
Yes.
Rama, Hari, Guru, these three Shabdas we should memorize. In this Rama Shabda, you know all the sutras. This Upadeshya Jaranasika, Tasya Lopaha, you all are familiar with these two sutras, right? When you are attending that Laghu class, you might have known these Shabdas. Okay, we'll go through this Rama Shabda, Prathama Purusha Ekavachanam. If you remember, I wrote the Pratyayas, Subanta Pratyayas. Su aujas, auchas, tabhyambis, nebhyambhyas, nasibhyam, bhyas, nas os am, ni os sup. Here, Rama Shabda, when we want to make vibhaktis, Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti. See, Prathama Vibhakti, Ramaha Shabda we want. How Ramaha Shabda we will get? Rama plus Su, Rama plus Au, Rama plus Jas. We have to add all these pratyas. Then only it will become noun. Without adding these pratyas, Rama Shabda is not become noun. It won't become noun. So we have to add all these Shabdas. Then only it becomes noun. This point is clear. We have to, Rama is the Pratipadika. I'll write here, this is the Pratipadika.
Purnaji, if you add all those, it is not nowhere close to Rama Shabda declension, right?
Yes. Rama
You
is
should not ask it.
Rama is the, but don't get afraid. All this is, after 1 year, we have to leave everything. Means 1 year we just go on sitting, listening, and do whatever we can do. After 1 year, all the sutras will become familiar. And all the process also very simple, and it will be easy after some time. The only thing is we don't have samskaras. When we look at all this, we will first afraid. Then that bhaya itself covers the all our knowledge. Rama is the pratipadika. We have to add this su pratyaya for prathama vibhakti ekavachanam. So I am not going to do any prakriya. Here everything is ready-made. See, Rama is the Pratipadika. And Prathama Vibhakti we are doing. Rama plus Su. How this Su has come? Svauja samauchas tabhyambis nebhyambhyas nasibhyambhyas nas os am ni os sup. This is the sutra. Actually, all those pratyas are in this sutra. If you can memorize this, you will get all those pratyas. Prathama ekavachana vivakshayam, this sutra. How to split this? Here it is there. Here it is there. Su aujas auchas tabhyam bhis nebhyam bhyas nasibhyam bhyas nas os am ni os sup. But these pratyas are very important for all shabdas. We are going to use only these 21 pratyas, not any other pratyas. By using these 21 pratyas, we will make akaranta pullinga, ikaranta pullinga, ukaranta pullinga, rukaranta pullinga, ekaranta also, and strilinga, napumsakalinga. All shabdas depends upon these 21 pratyas. So it is good if we memorize this. We
So
should
that is a sutra name?
Yes, this is the sutra. All shabdas are, means Sandhi has done. Su au plus swau. Jas, out, shas, tabhyam. So when they do sandhi, when they did sandhi, all shabdas little bit get more difficult pronounce. So it will be easy. Suojas amount chest abhyambis nebhyambis nasibhyambis nasos am niosu. Ete pratyaha bhavanti.
When we are memorizing, should we memorize the version which is highlighted by you or that combined Sandhi version?
If you memorize this, actually we should memorize this one only. But if you are familiar with the splittings, then you will get benefit. Otherwise, you will not get benefit. Better to memorize this one. When we become familiar with all these shabdas, then it will be easy to memorize that sutra. But just for memorize sake, we can memorize that, but won't get benefit if we memorize that. Swaujasamau tha thabhyam bhis nebhyam vyas nasibhyam vyas nasibhyam vyas nasos something wrong is there in that sutra. Nas os am, ni os sup. Makara should come here. Makara, instead of makara, makara. Okay. Sandhi has done. Tanyo sup. Better to memorize this. This sutra is clear, right?
Yes, Purnaji.
Next, in this sutra itself, the next sutra, many times, I think you already, this sutra I already told to Swamiji in class. Suptingantam padam. Sup pratyaya and ting pratyaya, whenever it is there, it is called pada. Like Rama is there, this is supratyaya. Sup means all these pratyas are called supratyas. Ting pratyaya means kriya padas are there na, bhavati, in the T is the ting pratyaya, like that. All are called, when we add, then it will become pada. At the end, if supratyaya is there, then it is called pada. This sutra is clear? Suptingantam padam.
Yes.
Supratyanta shabdaha. Ting pratyanta shabdaha cha pada sanyakaha bhavanti. At the end, if supratyaya, if it is there, shabda, a shabda which has ending supratyaya, a shabda which has ending as ting pratyaya, then both shabdas are called, get the pada sanya. Pada sanya means it is called pada. It is not called shabda. Before it was shabda, now we added supratyaya, then it become pada. Like here, Rama is the shabda. We added su, then it becomes pada. Ramaha is a pada, not shabda. Rama is the shabda. Is this clear?
Yes, Purnaji.
Yes.
Same way, for dhatu, if we add ting pratyas, then it becomes pada. Like bhavati is the pada, bhu is not the pada. Bhavati is pada. Like that. Upadeshe ajanunasika it. So in this ukara is there na anunasika ukara?
Yes, sir.
In su, at the end su, ukara is there, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That ukara is not normal ukara. It is anunasika ukara. Means the Chandrabindu is called anunasika. Anunasika ukara is upadesha. Upadesha means उपदेशे विद्यमानः अनुनासिकस्वरः इत्संज्ञकः भवति. In upadesha, whatever is the anunasika swara, means all vowels, get itsangna. Itsangna means it is a name called it. Just we are calling it as it. So here this rukara is this ukara is upadesha. In this upadesha, ukara is ach, anunasika ach. Therefore, it gets itsangna. So how do we know this is upadesha or not? Because it is given by Panini Maharshiji, this pratyaya. Therefore, it is upadesha. Whatever is given by Maharshijis, that is called upadesha. Rama is not upadesha because Rama is not given by Panini Maharshiji. Su is given by Panini Maharshiji. That's why it is upadesha. Upadeshe, in upadesha, su is upadesha. In this upadesha, ach, ukara is ach. Which kind of ukara is this? Anunasika ukara. This anunasika ukara in upadesha gets itsangna. Itsangna means named as it. Ukara is named as it. Then tasya lopaha. Whatever is the itsangna, it will get lopa. Means it will get disappear. All these 4 sutras clear?
Yes, Purnaji.
So
So-
when we chant the sutra Purnaji, then what about the vritti associated with it?
Vritti? Yeah, if you want to memorize vritti, you can look at the Ashtadhyayi. Here it is there.
Okay.
You can just open the sutra. You will get it.
Vidyamana. Okay.
And later that visarga comes with visarjaniyasya saha.
Karvasanayor
Ram.
visarjaniyah.
Kharvasana.
Sasajushoruhu. Again, here ukara is upadeshe ajunanasika it. Ukara, this rukara is upadesha. Because from sutra we are taking the rukara. That rukara is upadesha rukara. Therefore, it gets upadesha ajananasika itsangna. By the sutra, itsangna. Then tasya lopaha. Ukara gets lopa. Refa gets visarga by Karavasanayor visarjaniyaha. Because it is avasana. That's why it gets visarga. So if you have any doubt in this Rama Shabda becoming Ramaha, then we will see in next class. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Harihi Om.
Om.
Hari Om.
Hari Om.